it's taken from its place, a happy yellow tear that's rolling down a lonely face. Does it remember where it came from? Does it know what it has seen? Or is it just a pretty line of what as might have drop of yellow, the taste of green, fading indigo, just a dream. Tall and dreaming, so the Nursery-Rhyme Navy makes its plans for commandeering. The captain is a tin man with a painted-on mustache. His spyglass is a thimble that he polished in a flash. His ship's a balsa galleon with a sail of handkerchief, ready for a voyage far beyond the pillow cliff. Oh, we're sailing on a carpet sea of pattern green and blue. The Nursery-Rhyme Navy and its loyal wooden crew will fight the dust-mite pirates with our cannons made of thread, and follow constellations that the Admiral has in his head. It's a glorious adventure, it's a make-believe crusade for the honor of the toy chest and the promises we made. The moon is just a paper lantern hanging by a string. The waves are only ripples that the rocking horse can bring. The first mate is a porcelain doll with cracks across her face. She navigates by listening to the breathing of the space. We're headed for the coastline of the long-forgotten chair, to find the land of storybooks and build a castle there. Oh, we're sailing on a carpet sea of pattern green and blue. The Nursery-Rhyme Navy and its loyal wooden crew will fight the dust-mite pirates with our cannons made of thread, and follow constellations that the Admiral has in his head. It's a glorious adventure, it's a make-believe crusade for the honor of the toy chest and the promises we made. But a shadow's growing longer from beneath the bedroom door. The Admiral is growing up, he doesn't play here anymore. Will the carpet sea roll up? Will the paper moon fall down when we're just forgotten soldiers in a dusty silent town. Nursery-Rhyme Navy and its loyal wooden crew will fight the dust-mite pirates with our cannons made of thread, and follow constellations that the Admiral has in his head. It's a glorious adventure, it's a make-believe crusade for the honor of the toy chest and the promises we made. Promises we made in the toy chest. honest heart you've ever known. Town was painted charcoal gray, the sky was washed white. The people hurried through the streets beneath the lunchtime light. The pigeons on the statue wore a uniform of soot. And time was measured out by tired and shuffling leather boots. Then strolling through the afternoon, a figure came in view. His coat was made of tangerine, his shoes were peacock blue. He didn't have umbrella, he just walked on through the haze. He smiled a secret little smile of sunnier, brighter days. Oh, here comes the Marmalade Man, walking in the drizzle. The rain that falls around him doesn't fizzle, it just sizzles. It's turning into peppermint and smells of cinnamon toast. He's painting watercolor smiles on every sad-eyed ghost. He's come to turn the world around to help you understand that heaven is a rainy day held in a stranger's hand. The puddles turn to mercury, reflecting swirling skies. A kaleidoscope of colors bloom before your very eyes. The bankers and the postmen threw their boring hats away and started dancing barefoot in the middle of the day. The children all were laughing as they tried to taste the air, with saffron-scented thunder rolling in from anywhere. No one knows just where he's from or why he came to call, or if he is a real man or not a man at all. Perhaps he is a memory, a thought you can't